Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So now we are going to take a look at GBPUSD. Like we always say, before you actually take your trade, first you would want to know the trend, and we can see that GBPUSD is actually an uptrend move. We clearly can see an higher highs and an higher lows, right? So now if you take a look at this, right, price actually went up. Right now, price is actually rejecting at this level, right? You can see that price came to the same level and rejected, also came to the same level, rejected. So in the long run, by the way, GBP USD will still continue the uptrend move. We all know that this Thursday there's going to be an increase in interest rates that will be made here for the bank, right? Interest in bank rates. We all know the effect of it. Once there's an interest increase in the rates of interest, we tend to see a spike on the currency. So in the long run, maybe next week, you will be able to see it fully that this GBP USD should have taken out this ice and gone up. So more bullish move is to come on GBP USD, right? So be expecting more movement, especially on that Friday. We might not really have that movement on Thursday, right? But on Friday, let's watch out next week. Let's see. But now, right now, to be able to see what this price will be moving for the next day, which is 31st, we will need to go to the 4 hour time frame and see what this price is playing out. Like you always say, that rules of trading, always trade what you see and not what you think. So what we can clearly see is that this price is actually ranging. We can see that price is coming to this level. Let me highlight it here. We can see that price is rejecting at this level. At first, price came to the same level. We had a rejection. Then price also came to the same level again. So same thing, a rejection, and then price came to the same level, a rejection. We can see that there is a false breakout here, right, at this level. So maybe you can call it at a little bit of a breakout, though. Let's not call it that false. Well, then price actually was close to this same level again before we had the rejection. You can see this candlestick wick sticking at the bottom. Same thing again. So we expect similar movement to be made. I don't really think GBP USD will just drop. I don't. It's very far away from it, right? So we really expect this movement upward at least to come to take this resistance level. So if in case you are watching this trade and you actually take this buy to this resistance level here, you'll be grabbing about 80 pips. You can even grab more than that. So I mean 80 pips if you can grab it for the next day. Or if you can grab about 50 to 80 pips in a day, I think is not bad, right? So we still expect this bullish move to cut this resistance level. And also I want you guys to also know that I also have a Patreon channel, which I'll be putting the link in the comment section below. You can actually check it out, right? In that my Patreon channel, I actually share some of my trade that I'll be taking. And one of those trade that like I took for on this today, which is Nasdaq 100, I will pin it in the in my channel below. You can actually check the channel. I'm going to pin it, right? So actually I actually took the trade. You can actually go ahead, subscribe, and be able to watch out for what I'll be trading. And the thing is that once you actually apply for membership, you will not be charged immediately. It is still next month you'll be charged. That means first of next month you actually be charged. So once you apply right now, you will not be charged. So you actually get access to what I'll be trading. And if you are comfortable, you can go ahead and be charged. If you are not, you can just go ahead and cancel the subscription. So actually check it out. My link will be below.